California. This is the first day I haven't been sick. We got here 3 days ago, and I've literally been dying for the past 3 days. I must have had the plague or something, but this is the first day I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm probably like 70% right now. Feels like home. It's like the beach. All right, so guess who we're meeting up with? MJ Paddock. Why are you wearing that stupid shirt? No, I'm just kidding. He just spent like so much money on that shirt. What's up, Rami? What's up, bro?
Best YouTuber.
How you doing? I haven't skated in a while, so we're gonna go try to skate a little bit, try to get some rust off of me and see what's up, but I can't really do anything. I've always wanted to land a pop shove it. Guys, new freaking merch out right now. It's low-key fire. It's like designer, but it's also my merch, so if you want to support, link in the description. I'm not taking designer advice from someone who buys that at Dover Street Market.
You literally copied Off-White and you think that shit looks good.
It does look good. It does look good.
Not like
what if I went up to people and I was just like, no, I'm just kidding, I'm kidding.
Wow.
That's the first time I've ever landed it. Are these tarot card readings?
We're in a private reading.
This is private reading.
Don't take a picture. No, I'm saying no.
This motherfucker got a white beverage as he's white. No, wait, merch model. This guy might have money.
What you think about his shirt?
This guy said something about puberty. He going through puberty, y'all. Make some noise for this guy.
Wait, can you read, bro? It says,
no, can I read? Are you racist?
Maybe.
Get your ashy face the fuck about mine.
It says white YouTube. Excuse me, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, excuse me. What anime are you? Who are you cosplaying? No, don't run away. Who are you cosplaying? No, stop running.
And she did, and she got on the stand and I sold him first.
You sold someone perks?
You just shut up, right?
You be quiet. Don't ever tell me to shut up ever again.
All right, tell the truth.
Telling the truth is crazy in a world full of lies. No, don't interrupt me. Telling the truth is crazy in a world full of lies.
Well, you lie, you gonna pay for it. You read what you sold.
Ooh.
I need some money. Got any money?
Whoa.
Oh, shoot.
Yo, Lenny, tell them what the Paddock effect is.
The Paddock effect is... Wait, are you guys Taylor Swift fans?
Yeah.
Kanye made her.
Oh, okay, wait, will you sing a T Swift song for us?
I'll sing a Kanye song.
No, it's gotta be T Swift.
Go talk to your
friends, talk to my friends, talk to me.
But we
are never, ever back together. Frick, what was that one? I was trying to think of it while you were singing. It's like da-da-da, because I still, me and Taylor might still have sex.
I got like this one right here. Wanna do that one?
Yeah, that's the fast one. Let's go. Bro, what are you doing? Let's go. Oh, frick. Excuse me. Can I get your number?
No.
Why? Why are you so freaking rude?
That's what you can email.
Oh, my bad. Excuse me. Can you throw me the frisbee? I'll try to catch it on the bike. Cool. I don't want to hit your dog though. All right, go.
Okay. There's an ATM behind us.
Bro, I thought I was Danny Donkey, bro. All right, thank you so much. Wait, what was your name? Julia? Nice to meet you. I'm Lenny.
Hi.
Oh, wait. Let's go harass women, but like drive-by style. My bad. Dude, this kid just ate it on the bike. He literally just fell so hard. Nah. Oh, frick. Wait, you can wheelie this. Ah! Frick. Bro, I think if you go fast, it'll be better. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding.
Stop, I knew you.
No, I'm just kidding. Wait, excuse me. Can I ask you guys a question? Do you know where the Chipotle is?
Yeah.
I got you something in honor of Black History Month.
Don't.
What? It's the N-word pass.
I don't need that.
Now you can say it. Like, bro, be grateful. Excuse me?
Oh, what? You don't need that.
Wait, y'all not fighting nobody though. Cause I've been standing here for like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and no one swung on nothing. So don't say. Y'all saying the ones you're gonna fight someone. I've been standing here the whole time. Hey, excuse me. Sir. All right, guys. So I'm switching sides. I'm part of the microphone community now. So we're gonna be doing interviews today. Let's go. Sir. Why are you gay?
Not.
All right, my bad. Hom Se Young.
Young?
Squid Games.
Squid Game? Oh, Korea?
What? What are we doing?
I'm exercising.
Can I exercise with you?
I don't care.
Come on, let's go. Why you look so professional?
Because I am, in fact.
Why are you so freaking ugly? Excuse me. Explain your haircut.
I'm queer.
I love your outfit. What do you think about Kobe Bryant?
I love Kobe Bryant.
You like him? How many points did he score last game?
100.
He's dead.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Do you deliver all the presents on Christmas?
Minuteman against slavery and everything else to be enslaved. What about ba 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 ba? I can't hear.
Oh, you can't hear out of your eyes?
Well, of course I can't hear out of my eyes. Well, out of my ear.
Oh, okay.
Pizza quit, dude.
Excuse me. Can I ask you a question?
What was that?
Can I ask you a question?
What is it, bitch?
What?
What?
Wait, no. I was asking about a question. Ma'am. I was asking you about a question. Can I ask you a question?
No.
No question.
No.
No questions whatsoever?
No, you may not.
Why?
So, Burley, I'll fucking execute all dead then. Weren't you all being executed dead then? Yes.
Who?
You were dying. It was so fucking awesome. You were gonna die. Okay.
Man, shut your...
Kenneth and the leader of the Pentagon were dying, god. They might walk away, okay?
What? They might... Oh, you're schizophrenic.
No. Dude, see, I know, right? Do you want to shoot these young men daytime one video? Is this the young men that you rape in the butt and shoot to death, or what? Yeah. Them in the asshole and shoot them in the head?
No.
Or what? Actually.
I'm actually unrapeable and bulletproof.
It's completely embarrassed thoroughly, quote unquote you. Actually, you're right.
Actually, frick you. Sir, can I ask you a question?
Oh no, because I'm outsider and don't speak English.
You just spoke perfect English to me.
No, I'm coming from Europe.
You just spoke perfect English to me.
Okay.
Excuse me. How does it feel to be 2 out of 10s?
Oh, great. How does it feel to be 1 out of 10?
Frank! Sir, stop. Sir, please. All right, whatever, frick you. Ma'am, what are you building?
I'm not building anything. I'm doing art stuff. Can you buy me a soda? Okay, knock.
Who's there?
Christina.
Wait, your name's Christina?
Yes.
Well, my ex-girlfriend's name's Christina, and now I'm not buying you a soda. Sir, can I ask you a question?
Huh?
What are you listening to?
Nothing.
The Voices?
No, it's not voice.
I love Lenny Miller. Subscribe to Lenny Miller. I be dressing with the lean in my head.